Welcome you all. Today we are going to see the Unit 2 Vocabulary Enrichment. I have already insisted you the second unit has 6 subtitles. So first one it is word conversion, arrangement of second one it is arrangement of jumbled words into the meaningful sentences. Third one is homophones. Number 4 is compound words. Number 5 is prefixes and suffixes. That is called affixes. Next one it is matching words. So now we are going to focus on word conversion. Word conversion. See, I have given you the grammar world. Uh, I'm I'm going to pick you all to the grammar world. It is all of the words, nouns and verbs are including in the grammar world. Okay, now we are going to see the word conversion. What do you mean by word conversion? You can see the word conversion. Conversion, it is like a noun. You have to change into the word converts. It is a verb. So we are going to focus on word conversion. So we have prescribed two: noun to verb, verb to noun. Actually, what do you mean by conversion? See, conversion is the main type of word formation assigning the base to the different word class with no change of form. For example, the verb release is converted to the noun release. For example, the base form of the verb releases this the form to the noun. The noun form releases to the verb form. This is the conversion. It is the main type. And the word formation, there is a change. Next slide we can see word classes. The types of conversion contain three major word classes: nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Conversions from noun to verb and from verb to noun are the most productive categories. These productive categories we have prescribed in our syllabus. Verb to noun, noun to verb, its most productive categories in our syllabus. The conversions can be classified into four categories according to the word classes. There are four: noun to verb, verb to noun, verb to adjective, noun to adjective. Likewise, we have given in our grammar, but in our syllabus, we have prescribed noun to verb and verb to noun only. So, we are going to first, before entering into the word conversion, we can see noun. What is noun? Everyone knows that noun. Noun is a simple word. It is a naming word of a person, place, animals, and things and ideas. Ideas means suggestions, something else. You give suggestions to your friends. That is idea, your opinion. Likewise, for example, your name is a noun. My name is a noun, and the dog. The word dog is I have mentioned you. The word dog is a noun, it is an animal name. The word America, it is a place of a name. That is also a noun. Some people knows know that ideas are also nouns. Some people have that. And next we move into the verb. What is verb? Verb is a word that describes an action. Examples I have given you: kick, punch, jump, cry, laugh, love, explode, need, want are all verbs, etc. So many actions considered as a verb. So verbs get more complicated when you start adding a past, future conditionals. Likewise, examples might, could, would, and something else, should. Likewise, we have given that sort of thing that is more complicated, and it is past tense and future and conditionals classes also. So next I have given you the intro of the word conversions. Basically the sentences, generally the beginning of the word is often the same, but the end of the word changes. For what? Examples I have given you: the conversion, you can see the word is conversion. Conversion, it is a noun. The base form of the conversion, it no change in the word, but the it changes into the verb, the converse. But here SION, it is missed, ION. So it is the base form of the word. Beginning of the word is often the same, but the end of the word changes. And the second one, it is what's form of the new word, a verb or noun. So we are going to see verb and noun both. And nouns often end with meant, ion, ns, it, ans, ens. Likewise, the nouns always end like this. People noun, for example, create, creator, write, writer, artist, artist, music, musician. Likewise, it is given. So some verbs end with IESCATEN. Likewise, it is ends. So now we are moving to the noun into verb. How it turns into the verb. Noun, how turns into the verb. See, I have given you, for example, noun, verb. The verb chart is here. Beauty, beautify. The noun, it is the word, it changes into the beautify. We have to add only the uh, ify something else. For example, I have already told you creation, it is the verb noun, so it changes into the verb create. So see here, I have given you the beginning of the word is often the same. You have to notice well, it is the beginning of the word is often the same, but the end of the word changes. Here it is given creation, create. So create is beginning of the word is always same, but the end of the word is changes. Here you can notice this creator, create. It is noun changes into the verb. Decision, like that, decide. Decision, it is a noun and it changes into the verb decide. So beginning of the word is same and the end of the word is changes. Okay, next we move into the. I have given you some examples from noun to verb. For instance, I have given you agreement changes into agree, comparison, compare, difference, differ, permission, permit, success, and succeed. Likewise, we have given you. I have already told you some noun changes into. See here, noun often end with meant, ion, ness, it, ans, ends. So now people nouns often end with er, are, ist, an. So likewise, I have given you. You can notice here agreement, agree, comparison, compare, success, succeed, failure, fail. So next we move into the next line, turning verb into noun. Before we could see that noun to verb, but now we are going to see verb to noun, how it is changes. Verb to noun, see, like the same as it is we have to follow. I have already told that. What is that? You can see here in the previous slide, some verbs end with IESCATEN. So here it is given, you can notice here, you can see verb require, requirement, that is changes, shrink. So affixes, we have to add these words, verb, shrinkage, betray, betrayal, neutralize, it is, yeah, IZE. That is British English and American English, it is different, so that's why we can use ISE. Some others words IZE. So neutralization, juxtapose, juxtaposition, different and difference. Likewise, it is given, so it is the change of the forming words conversion. So next I have given you some examples, verb into the noun. For instance, refer, references, perform, performances, adjust, adjustment, choose, choice, hate, hatred, attract, attractions, live, living, envy, and viceness. So you can use all those words. I have given you the exercises for the word conversion and I will post it through the classwork assignment area. So you have to copy it in a note and you have to study those words for your exams. Thank you on and all here.